We're making a recording of the sewer line here today at 10306 14th Avenue Northwest. The date is April 23rd, 2021. This is a video recording we're making after doing a significant amount of sewer repair work here. It's a Bob Oates plumbing video. We're coming back from the Seattle City main here, and what you're going to see is the main flowing by there down 14th. Going to come back immediately into our side sewer, and within an inch or two you are right into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner. We are coming back through this 6-inch diameter cure in place pipeliner that we installed. And back into 4-inch PVC. So we dug an excavation at the 4-inch by 6-inch diameter sewer transition. We installed a section of PVC here that goes right into the liner. Three or 4 foot PVC repair, and then we go right back into a 4-inch diameter liner. So this is a 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner now. We are back on property. And coming back now into our cleanout, you see that 4-inch diameter liner lipped right into that PVC just as we had proposed to do, making a nice almost seamless transition there. Coming back up out of the cleanout in the front of the home here. Here's the cleanout we're making this recording from today. And just a view of the front of the home here so you know we're at 10306. I'm going to end the recording there.